Hello, fellow Toastmaster and guest. Today I am presenting a speech on the topic Let's Become Each Other's Anchor. If I have seen further than others, it is by standing upon the shoulders of a giant, said by Isaac Newton. And I believe these lines clearly define what mentorship is. Someone whose knowledge and wisdom help us to get the best of us. To be candid, I'm fortunate enough to meet a lot of people in my life who help me at every new step to get the best of me. Some are informal mentors, like my friends, relatives, movies I have watched, books I have read. And some are formal mentors, like my teachers or people who believed in me and in my potential, who helped me to channelize my energy to get the maximum. These are the people who help me to carve out myself as a person. And here I would like to mention about one of my mentors who helped me to become what I wanted to become. He is my English teacher. I don't know his initial name, but his surname was Kazai. So we used to call him Kazai sir. He was from Manipur and he used to taught us English. Somehow, and he came to know that I have this stage fear, and he was very keen to help me to overcome this because he knew that somewhere it's an obstacle in my growth, and therefore he keep on encouraging me to speak in class, to speak in front of class as well as in assembly whenever I get a chance. So one of the incident that proves that how good mentor he is to me was when I was in my, I think, 10th standard. Some scholars visited my school and they delivered a speech about SARS that was started in Hong Kong at that time. And they delivered this speech during assembly hours. After assembly is over, my principal summoned me and asked me to prepare a speech on this, on SARS, and to deliver it again in the assembly in next 3-4 days. Well, it was a big task for me because it was given in the assembly and I don't have any pen or notepad to make notes. So after a lot of brainstorming and with the sincere effort of Kazai sir, I was able to prepare 1-page speech. And sir also helped me that how I'm going to deliver it, where I have to take pause, where I have to emphasize, and I was ready. The D-Day came. I was fully prepared to deliver the speech in the assembly. And sir was quite excited that, yeah, Suman is delivering a speech in the assembly. But just before the assembly is about to start, we were standing in a queue and I handed over that sheet of speech to one of my friend. Her name was Kiran. She was quite eloquent speaker. She went through that speech once and she was all ready to deliver it. And even she delivered so eloquently and with so confidence that everyone applauded her after the assembly is over. Even my principal applauded her, appreciated her, as well as the speech. Truly speaking, I was not carried away by that incident. I was totally fine that all the appreciation that somehow meant for me is now not for me. But I was okay. But Kazai sir, he was not. He was in shock. He did not talk to me for days. After my a lot of insistence, after my a lot of apologies, and after a lot of days, he started talking to me back again because he wanted to help me. And at that time, I realized how good mentor he is to me, how much he believed in me, how much he believed in my potential that yes, I can overcome my weak point, how much he wanted to help me so that this thing can't become an obstacle in my development later on in my life. Though later on also he helped me to improve myself, but he left my school before I could improve much. This helped me to realize that mentorship is about how much you want to help others. It's all about how one wants to help others. It's your behavior that makes you a mentor. As Ralph Waldo Emerson says, everyone I met is good in something that I am not, and something that I can learn from them. And this is something that I have found that Kazai sir, as well as the members of Toastmaster, Firebird Toastmaster Club qualifies. Here, every member is expertise in their field. They are so versatile, they are so diverse in their different field. So I believe here I can learn a lot from them. They are best at something that I am not. And here each and everyone is ready to help each and everyone. If you want to prepare a speech, everyone is ready there to help you, to that what the content can be, how you can present a speech, what can be the best way. So this is something that I realized that Firebird Toastmaster have. The people here are mentor for each and everyone. So it's a baton, I believe, that we must pass from one to another of our experience, that how we can excel each and every level, every path of the level. So that's what I felt, that here my vision got wider and I have learned a lot. So let's make it a part of learning, that we have seen future by standing on someone's shoulder, and let someone see the future by standing upon our shoulder. Let's help each other to grow so that this public speaking don't become an obstacle in anybody's growth. It is being said that when one candle lit another, both candle lit a little more brighter. Thank you.